This 2014 Porsche Cayenne is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. 2014 Porsche Cayenne Yacht Factory Optional Equipment $67,195 Original MSRP New Convenience Package Bose Sound Package Reversing Camera with Park Assist Front and Rear Standard Interior in Luxor Beige Driver Memory Package Panorama Roof System Power Steering Plus Porsche Standard Equipment 3.6 LV6 Engine 300 horsepower 295 lb-ft of torque 8-speed Tiptronic S Transmission Heated Front Seats Power Folding Mirrors Front Parking Sensors Rear Parking Sensors Memory Driver Seat Cruise Control Adjustable Steering Wheel Keyless Entry Power Windows Power Door Locks White Exterior Luxor Beige Leather Interior Vehicle includes Porsche Floor Mats Owners Manual Vehicle History Florida Vehicle Well Serviced. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2014 Porsche Cayenne is no exception. We provide low. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.